Hey guys, subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss a video from Artisan Pallet.
Hey guys, welcome back again with another exciting video with Artisan Pallet, and today's video is about a string art. I think this is the best and cutest customized gift for your little brother. So let's get started. Well, I hope you enjoy this string art. If so, please don't forget to share, comment, like and subscribe. Your likes, comments and share motivate us to prepare more craft. See you in my next video. Until, have a great weekend. Thank you so much guys for all the support for the past few weeks. It means a lot to me. Thank you so much for supporting Artisan Pallet.